Kasi kung walang military, yung laro nila, wala na.
What do you mean out, Mayor? Hindi
Getting
sila
out
sa...
means
I don't know, basta hindi yan kudita, hindi yan ano, basta sabi ng military, you are oppressing people and you are spending our money like water. Pati kami in the coming days, mawawalaan kami ng aming retirement, magalaw. Hindi kami sasalin sa inyo.
silent protest. Not taking orders at all.
Hindi silent protest. Military lang talaga. Hindi, sabihin na nga niya, Sir, huwag mo kaming isali.